Hello, and welcome to Monday Morning Trader, a show designed to help you supplement your income by writing covered calls. This show, we will take a look at 3 stocks I think can help you make some money this week by writing a covered call. Without any further delay, let's take a look at the list. The stocks on this week's radar all have one thing in common. They are involved in producing vaccines or have the technology to research vaccines. With the current state of the world and the coronavirus everywhere, these stocks have had a pretty good run and continue to have the potential to do really well. The first stock on our list is ticker symbol OPK, or OPKO Health Incorporated. They have been at a 52-week low here of late, but have the potential to come back strong because of their ability to develop pharmaceutical products and vaccines. The second stock on our list is ticker symbol INO, or Inovio Pharmaceuticals Incorporated. This company was shown on 60 Minutes last week. A lot of people thought it would have a really big week this past week, and it was kind of pretty flat until Friday. They're another company that develops vaccines possibly and have supposedly come up with a way, or a vaccine is in the process here with the potential to get it out soon. The third one here is ticker symbol mRNA, or Moderna Incorporated, another company that works with vaccines. A lot of good press about this company lately, and it's been up, but still looks like it has the potential to rise some more. Let's take a look at each one of these stocks individually. First, OPK. Closing price on Friday was $1.40. That was up 2 cents. Now, again, it stayed in the 140s for the most part all week, really near a 52-week low. Right now, looking at the call spreads here, what's being offered, $1.50 strike price is going somewhere between 10 and 15 cents. 15 cents was the last one. Decent volume there and a lot of open interest. You can see at the bottom there, a lot more calls have been assigned than puts, making me think a lot of people are pretty bullish on this. I just like the idea here. 10 cents even out of $1.40. That's a pretty good return. That's why this one really intrigues me. Looking at the chart here, you will see up there in the $2 range, even at the beginning of the month, it was up there in the $2.70, $2.80, even $2.90 range. Came back down to earth here lately. But like I said, if you look over even the whole year, right there around the $1.50 mark has been some pretty strong support. So it's under there right now, yes. But I think it has the potential to get to $1.50 relatively easily. And since it's at its bottom for the year right now, I don't foresee it going a lot lower. So that's why I'm liking OPK right now. Next, looking at INO, it closed on Friday at $8.32, up $1.17. So a huge move on Friday. I do own this stock. Got it at $6.99 about a week and a half ago. Definitely was unsure at the start of the week how it would look. I thought it would pop more on Monday or Tuesday because of the 60 Minutes show. It didn't, but then on Friday it definitely raised a lot. Interesting look here at the strike prices, $8.50 and $9. There's not a huge difference there in the bid. A lot of volume on each one of them. Not a lot, but a decent amount of open interest on each. And again, if you look at the call and put volume down there, still a lot more calls than puts. Definitely bullish on this one as well. And then at the very bottom there, you'll see that somebody is definitely thinking INO has a lot of room to grow, as they bought over 4,000 $15 calls about a week ago. And I will say that INO was over $20 here lately. If we look at the chart, just here a couple weeks ago was up there in the $20 range, came back down to earth. But again, you'll see that there's a lot of volume right now in the month of March. All right, it started picking up in February, obviously, because of all the news going out there, and then continued to go up. A lot of, a bounce there around $7 mark. So I still think with the potential that they're going to come out with a vaccine, definitely potential that this thing could pop back up to $20 relatively soon. Last stock on our list this week, mRNA, closing price $30.05, up $2.11 on Friday alone, which again, good pop there. Another interesting look here, if you look at $30.50 and a $31 strike price, actually the bid right now on the 31 is higher than the $30.50, which is very irregular. Definitely makes me think somebody might know something here. But if you look, $31 seems to be having a lot of good interest there. A lot of good prices there, if you ask me, and definitely more volume. So I think mRNA definitely has some room to run. Again, if you look, a lot more call volume than put volume. I like it. I think, again, a lot of people are bullish on it. That is our list. Oh, sorry. If you look at the chart here for mRNA, a lot of volume at the end of February into March again. Just think it's bounced around a lot. Obviously got down in there in the low 20s there just a week ago, but then came back strong. I think right there, the $30, $31, $32 range is where this is going to settle, with the potential to pop a lot higher because this company definitely is in the works to produce a vaccine if anybody can come up with one for the coronavirus. That is our list for this week. I will come back with a single pick on Monday to share with you, the one that I decide upon. We'll see how the markets open up on Monday, and I'll tell you what I went with, and you can ride along with me if you choose. So make sure to check back on Monday for that pick, and also subscribe to this show. That way you don't miss a single episode that we churn out, and definitely don't miss a tip so that you can make some money each week. Until then, happy trading. And remember, stay green, not greedy.